2% loss, 3 minutes, here's what happened. GNS was one of our leading gappers this morning and had good volume and momentum. It had pulled back a little bit, but we had a candle that looked like it was making a new 1-minute high. So I placed an order at the bid at 593 and got filled a few seconds later. The next candle did pull back a bit, but it started to reverse back upwards. The big mistake I made in this trade was I didn't enter it with a plan of how I was going to exit because it was a pre-market trade, so I couldn't have a stop loss to move up. We did see this candle go above 6 and even peak at 612 for a split second. It was definitely a mixture of greed and not having a exit plan that kept me in this trade. It kept pulling back and losing volume, so I ended up selling for a loss at 584. If I were to redo this trade, I would have placed a limit order to sell right after I entered with a target price, because at least I would be able to move that around quickly. I usually aim for a 10-cent gain, so I would have placed it at 603 and I would have gotten filled and out at about a 2% gain. This was a 65-cent loss or a 0.7% account loss.